My first truffle, a love story. Remember that first bite? The anticipation, the excitement, the curiosity of what it would taste like. That moment when something so delicious explodes in your mouth. It's like a symphony of flavors dancing on your taste buds. That happened to me with my first chocolate truffle. I can still recall the exact moment, the exact feeling. It was pure bliss, creamy, rich, and oh so chocolatey. It was like nothing I had ever tasted before, a little piece of heaven. I knew I had to recreate that feeling. I wanted to share that joy, that pure delight with everyone. But truffles can be a bit fussy to make, right? The process is intricate, requiring patience and precision. So I thought, why not capture that magic in a smoothie? A simpler, quicker way to enjoy that same indulgence. Easier to whip up, perfect for any time of day. Whether it's breakfast, a midday treat, or a late-night craving. That's how my Silky Smooth Chocolate Truffle Smoothie was born. A blend of rich chocolate, creamy texture, and pure joy. Trust me, it's going to rock your world. Ready to dive in? One sip and you'll be hooked, just like I was with my first truffle. Let's talk ingredients. The foundation of any great recipe starts with the right components. We're going for that luxurious truffle experience, but in smoothie form. Imagine the rich, earthy flavor of truffles blending seamlessly into a creamy, dreamy smoothie. Here's what you'll need. Frozen bananas are your secret weapon for a creamy texture. Plus, they add natural sweetness. The bananas also help to thicken the smoothie, giving it that perfect consistency. Go for the good stuff. High-quality cocoa powder makes all the difference in flavor. It brings a deep, rich chocolate taste that elevates the entire drink. I like almond milk for its nutty flavor, but any milk works. Whether you prefer dairy or plant-based options, choose what suits your taste and dietary needs. Greek yogurt adds a lovely tang and ups the protein content. It also contributes to the creaminess, making the smoothie more satisfying and nutritious. If you like it sweeter, add a touch of honey or maple syrup. Trust me on this one. These natural sweeteners not only enhance the flavor, but also add a hint of complexity. A pinch of salt enhances the chocolate flavor and balances the sweetness. It might seem like a small addition, but it makes a big difference in bringing out the best in your ingredients. Now for the fun part. Get ready to create a delicious and luxurious treat that will tantalize your taste buds. This recipe is so easy, you'll be sipping on your smoothie in minutes. No need for complicated steps or fancy equipment. First, toss everything into your blender. Frozen bananas, cocoa powder, milk, yogurt, sweetener if using, and salt. These ingredients come together to create a perfect blend of flavors. Then blend until smooth and creamy. The key is to ensure all the ingredients are well combined for that perfect texture. This might take a minute or two, depending on your blender. Taste and adjust as needed. You want to make sure the consistency is just right for your preference. Want it sweeter? Add a touch more honey or maple syrup. This will enhance the natural sweetness and make it even more delightful. Want it richer? A dollop of peanut butter does the trick. It adds a creamy, nutty flavor that complements the chocolate perfectly. Pour into your favorite glass and enjoy. The presentation is just as important as the taste, so choose a glass that makes you happy. See, I told you it was simple. With just a few ingredients and a blender, you can create a luxurious treat that feels indulgent but is incredibly easy to make. Jamie's secret tips, elevating your smoothie game. Want to make your smoothie extra special? Here are my secret tips. Freeze your bananas. This is non-negotiable for that perfect creamy texture. Don't be afraid of the salt. It really does make the chocolate flavor pop. Get creative with toppings, whipped cream, chocolate shavings, chopped nuts. Go wild. Make it a meal by adding a scoop of protein powder or a handful of oats for a more filling smoothie. Truffles, a bite-sized history of indulgence. Ever wondered where truffles came from? These little bites of heaven have a rich history. Legend has it that the first chocolate truffle was created by accident in a French pastry shop in the 19th century. It was an instant hit, and the rest, as they say, is history. Truffles are all about indulgence. They're rich, decadent, and the perfect treat for special occasions. And now you can enjoy that same luxurious feeling in a smoothie. Concoct your own chocolate masterpiece. So there you have it. My Silky Smooth Chocolate Truffle Smoothie is the perfect way to satisfy your sweet tooth. It's quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. And the best part, you can make it your own. Experiment with different types of milk, add your favorite toppings, or even blend in a handful of spinach for a healthy twist. The possibilities are endless. Now go forth and create your own chocolate masterpiece.